to say today, thank you, congratulations on having it your day, and also on behalf of the city of Huntsville for all that he has done for the city, for the young students, for the people that he's mentored and worked with, for everybody, every little cause that he's worked for and worked for free for. We want to give him a key to the city saying thank you for all that you've done to the city, for the city of Huntsville.
My beam muscle shows are up in Huntsville.
It's almost as if there's only one thing for a guitar player to do with the key to the city.